All right, boys and girls, the 2025 Honda Prelude has officially been confirmed for the US market. It will feature a new S Plus shift mode, and we're going to get into it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, go ahead and do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. Let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers. If you guys are still looking for the Christmas deals, the link is in the bottom in the description. You guys can go ahead and check them out for the sponsors of this channel. And let's get into it. So for the old consumer of the Honda Prelude, they might not be so happy with what the Prelude's bringing or what Honda did with the Prelude, but there's still going to be the consumer that says, hey, no matter what, if it runs on ice or if it runs on water, I'm buying it. And we're going to talk about this new S Plus shift mode. So it will feature a 2-motor hybrid electric powertrain and the brand new S Plus shift mode. And Honda Prelude, the Honda Prelude Sports Coupe, has officially been confirmed and is coming for the US market, and has officially there's a video. I'm going to be playing this video up top. This video is officially kind of confirming it, that it's coming or whatnot. So under the skin of the new Prelude is expected to ride the same architect as the Civic CRV and the ZRV. That to me, we own a ZRV here at the house. We own an HRV here at the house. That to me is already a no-go. I don't really know why Honda did that, but that's Honda's go-to platform for its family hauler. So the category or the system for the family hauler, it's going into a sports vehicle. That to me, that's already turning me away, at least for me, in my opinion. But with the likely sharper chassis setup that to justify its sportier look, powering the Prelude will be Honda's familiar 2-motor hybrid system already found in the Civic, Accord, HRV, and ZRV. Sometimes I really don't get why some of these companies are doing this. You're literally getting just a new body, pretty much new, the same buttons, same probably infotainment, just a different looking body, and you're getting a Civic on the inside. And that's where I think it kills the deal for me. But what is exactly the S Plus shift mode that they talk about? And we're going to get into it. The article says, now here's where the things get interesting, or at least mildly interesting. The article is from Cars Coop. So they asked Honda, what is this whole S Plus? And they said it's a linear shift control, a feature already found in the newer hybrids. It creates the field of a conventional drivetrain, shifting gears at wide open throttle for pretty much a more exhilarating driving experience. The Prelude, however, introduces the new S Plus shift drive mode, taking the simulated gear shifts a step further with a dedicated button in the center console. This is pretty nuts to read this. I mean, I don't know why Honda is doing this. I think this is going to be a complete fail as soon as it hits the table, because this, you go from almost not having barely any manual vehicles in the market now to most of them being automatic. And then you say, okay, well, why not? The R35 is automatic, it's super quick. Some Corvettes are automatic, it's super quick. But, manual's out the window, now automatic is out the window. Now you're getting it's almost everything is becoming fake. It's what it is. It's becoming fake. The EHEV self-charging hybrid setup combines a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with a dual electric motor, one of which directly drives the front wheel in most scenarios. While Honda uses the term eCVT, there's no traditional transmission here, just a clutch that connects and disconnects the engine as needed. And it's just going to feature the S Plus mode. So the Honda S Plus mode maximizes the efficiency of high-performance engine in a high-put motor, finally controlling the engine's RPM across all acceleration and deceleration ranges based on the driving condition. This enables more direct drive response, sharper simulated shifts compared to previous models. Together, these elements deliver a driving experience that simulates the body and mind, synchronizing driver and vehicle, and offering a sensory-rich experience of driving at will. Did the Jaguar CEO get involved with this at any moment? To say the least, because this is not the Honda that I think we all grew up in. I know the future is here. Everyone's moving into EVs. Everyone's moving into doing all this other stuff, and I just don't see it. And again, I quote video after video what the Toyota CEO said, and he mentions eventually we'll know the truth about EV and hybrid. And in other words, it's saying that EV is no bueno. EV sucks. And now you have this sports brand, this VTEC screamer, H22, H23, popping VTEC like animals, breaking all sorts of records at the Tsukuba racetrack. If like Honda Prelude was one of the vehicles that was the pinnacle of Honda. Like, we grew up loving the Prelude with the H22, with the H23, the VTEC, super quick. And then now Honda's giving you this new Prelude with a hybrid motor that's simulating gear shifts. This thing is going to do a 0 to 60 in like 3 days. It's what I think. So this month, Honda is celebrating 25 years of hybrid sales in America since the launch of the original Insight back in December of 1999. Hybrids currently account for more than a quarter of Honda sales in the region, including more than half of the Accord and CR-V sales mix. As for BEV, the brand's GM-based Prologue crossover will be joined by the production version of the Honda Zero Series Saloon in 2026, which will be manufactured in Ohio. That's a whole different story. I don't even want to get into it. I want to check out some pictures here. We do have this video that's playing up top that's in the beach or whatnot. We see the back of the Honda Prelude. We've done it a lot. We see the nice, lovely badge. I really like how they did the badge, and I really like the whole LED strip pretty much in the back, and you see the Honda, Honda emblem there, and you can see it from the top, and it's got the carbon fiber. I mean, they're giving you the look. They're definitely giving you the look. They're just not giving you the powertrain and the tough engine and the VTEC or whatnot. I like how the door handles kind of like slim into the door, and it almost mimics a Tesla or whatnot. So there you go, boys. S Plus Shift Drive mode introduced for the new Prelude, and it's coming as early as 2025 for the US market. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this? This is definitely not VTEC kicked in, yo. This is definitely not, and you're definitely not gonna grab your snap pack and you're gonna hit the track with this vehicle. I can tell you that right now. Anyways, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? I'll read you guys. I'll see you on the next one. If you guys are rocking with the content, your boy is out of here. Hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. I'm out of here.